Hello friends, welcome again. And after a long time, I am creating this video. So this is a new project, and this project I have developed in Python and Django. So I got many of the requests from many of the students that they need some project which has dual type of UI. Means for admin there is different UI, and for user there will be different UI, right? So we created this project using two different UIs, right? And both are the bootstrap theme. And also I'm using the latest version of Python, that is the Python version 3.12, and Django version is Django version 5. So these things technology I am using. And so you can see this is a front page of the project, and the project title is e-farming marketplace. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. For front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project, like this. You can see this one, right? And also you can see there is a slider uh, running on the home page. You can see there is a slider running on the home page, and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? Okay. So again, you can see these are some categories coming on the home page. These all categories are coming from the database, and if you click on any categories, then it will show all of the product which belongs to that category. These are the feature product, and it also coming from the database, you can see here, right? And this is a outer space. This is a static home page, and there is nothing dynamic on it, right? And then product, this is a 100% dynamic page, and it's all of the products are coming from the database. If you click on the view details, then you will be able to see the details. This is the categories, and all of the categories are also coming from the database. If you click on any of the view products, means these are the categories, right? If you click on this view product, then you will be able to see all of the products which belongs to that category. This is a registration page. This is also a bootstrap theme registration page from where user can register and he can order. Without registration, without login, he will not be able to order any of the product. This is a contact us page, and this is a static contact us page. We are not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere. Even we are not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? You can see these are the category. You can see these all categories are dynamic, and this is coming from the database directly. Okay, so now I am going to customer login. This is a login page, right? So user ID is customer and password is test. If you log in, you can see this is a good theme, right? And you can see all of the orders of the customer. So two orders and the one confirm order, 0 transit, 0 delivered, and this is the one cancelled order, right? And these are the menu items. So these all menu items are also available here, my orders, in my order section. You can see the my order section. So here you can see the widget here, the grid box, and then if you click on this, you will be able to see the orders, right? One is cancelled, so once you click on it, you will be able to see this order has been cancelled. This is a my account page from where you can update your account details, and this is a change password from where you can update your account password. Now I am going to buy some of the product. Just click on the view details. One more thing, these are the customer reviews, right? You can see the customer reviews also. You can put the reviews, right? You can select the star rating, give your title and full comments, and that reviews will be stored inside the database, and it will be displayed here, right? And add to cart. So I am adding 2 item into the cart. You can see 2 item has been added into the cart, and total amount you need to pay is 4,000 rupees. So calculation we are doing automatically. Continue shopping. Suppose I am doing this, add to cart 1 item, so 2 items, so total amount is 6,500 rupees, right? If you want any of the item, just click on delete item, that will be deleted. And if you click on the proceed to checkout, so it will ask your credit card details. So this is a dummy payment page. There is nothing dynamic on it. We are not making any type of external. It shows you can enter whatever you need, right? So this is not a real-time payment gateway. Right here you can enter the name, again you can add anything, and here you need to enter the date and the CVV, right? Once you click on make payment, you can see the order details has been saved and order status has confirmed, and this is the total items, right? So total cost is 4,000, and you will be able to see it in this one, right? You can see this one is the order details, right? So this is the first part of the page or product, right? And you can see this is a good theme, and this is a bootstrap theme we have developed using the bootstrap theme a lot of, and this is also a partial responsive theme, right? So now I am logging it out and I'm going on the admin page. So once you click on to admin, the whole UI will be changed. You can see the admin login page is different user interface. It's totally different, right? And it's totally different from customer. And if I log in, the internal things will also be changed. So we have added two different types of UI. You can see this is the layout for the admin, and this is really a very fantastic layout. And this is a bootstrap theme. The bootstrap theme name is admin LT. We have used that admin LT theme. You can see admin can see all of the orders, 15 orders, 2 delivered orders, 5 confirmed orders, 2 orders are in transit, 12 products we have, and the total customers we have, right? And these are great feature also. If you want to full screen, just click on that and it will be full screen also, right? And this is the some other things also you can manage, right? So this is the default thing, right? Okay, so see, this is a dashboard and here is a quick menu. If you want to switch, if you want to go on that page, just click on that and you will be redirected to that page. Right here is all products. You can see all of the products are here. So from a single layout you will be able to see, even you can minimize and maximize these things also. You can see this are the minimize and maximize, even you can, right? You can close it also. So from dashboard you will be able to see all of the things. This is all product, this is all categories, these are registered customers, these are the orders, right? So you will be able to see all of the things from here from a single page. And this is we have developed in Python, Django and MySQL, right? This is add product. From here you will be able to add the product, and from here you can enter all of the product details. And once you click on the save data, and it will be saved inside the database. And if you click on the edit, you will be able to edit the details, right? This is the product report. All of the product will be displayed here, and you can export the things into different format. This is really a cool feature. And if you want to export it, just click on the PDF and the PDF will be exported. If you click on the Excel, then Excel will be exported. And if you want to see the column visibility, so if you want to hide and hide the columns, then you can do it from here, right? So this is really a very cool feature, right? And if you want to see search, so just you can see this is a real search, right? It's searching real time. You can sort the things. You can see sorting is working. This is the stock and this is the price, right? Each and everything is working perfectly here. This is add category. From here you can add the category and you can edit and update the categories, right? And all things what you add here will be visible on the front end, right? This is a category report. All of the category reports are here. This is order management. All orders, you can see all of the orders. So if you click on the edit, you can edit your packed or in transit, delivered. Just click on the update and you can see the order update, order status has been delivered. If you want to see the item, just click on the view items and you will be able to see the items of that order, right? So this is the order management. I think I covered this points. The same you can export and import the things. You can set the column visibility. You can sort all the things here. This is a customer report. You can see the customer report here, right? You can edit and update the customer report. This is the add new customer. If you want to add a new customer, you can add it from here too. This is a change password. From here you can update your account password. And the logout, if you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to log in again, right? Sorry, you will not be able to access the dashboard again without login, right? One more thing I want to show you. This is a session driven menu. You can see the number of menus here, but if I log in as a customer, right, so that there is a customer panel, so this you can check the menu has been changed, right? There is a logout feature because it's a session driven. Our system is checking the customer has logged in or not. If it's logged in, then it will change the menu automatically, right? So these all features we have developed inside this project, which title is e-farming marketplace. And the cool part is this project we have developed in Python, and the version of Python is Python version 3.12, and the MySQL, sorry, and Django version is 5, and the MySQL version is 8. So totally latest technology we have used for developing this project, and this is a really a very cool project from which you can learn a lot of things. If you are a Python developer, if you are a Django developer, then you can learn that how to develop the project, what will be the folder structure and all, right? So if you need more features, if you need any advanced features, if you need any enhancement in this project, or if you need this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate your changes. We will help you for getting the source code and database. And thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for your time.